Good evening, dear students. In the last class, we have learned in our second chapter of your geography, that is maps. In that, we have learned the kinds of maps. There are three kinds of maps: physical maps, political maps, and your thematic maps. And we have also learned the history of map making, how a map just introduced, and by whom the maps first introduced, all of this. And today we are going to learn about important features of map, means what are the important features of map. With the help of those we can read a map. That every map is provided with some aids or tools to help you read it. There is a scale, a vertical line marked N at the top, and some required symbols. That is your north line. Okay, students, let's watch a video so that you can understand it better. Okay.
Map is provided with some aids or tools to help you read it. Let us learn about some of them. If you look through your atlas, you will see maps of countries, continents, and even the whole world. Such a large area are shown on a small sheet of paper. Do you know how this is done? It is done by making a small distance on paper represent a large distance on the ground. Different maps use different scales. The scale of a map is generally shown by a graduated straight line of a particular length. The scale is generally drawn at the top or the bottom of the map. Sometimes the scale is not drawn, it is given in words. For example, 1 centimeter to 100 kilometer. This means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 100 kilometer on the ground.
Students, remember to take your book and a pencil with along this video. When you are watching the video, take your book and your pencil. Just underline those parts which are given in this video or explained it. Just watch them out and underline them. And after that, you will read the book again. You can understand it better. Okay, students, remember this.
On the scale you choose. If you look at any map, you will see a vertical line with an arrow at the uppermost point of this line, found at the upper right or left corner of any map. This is called the north line, and it shows the north direction. Once you know the north direction, you can easily find the other directions, namely east.
Students, look here, N is written, so it is the north direction. Okay, or north line.
West and south. These four directions are called the cardinal points. Other than the four major directions, there are four intermediate directions. These are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest.
Listen, student, north, east, south, and west. These are known as the cardinal points. This is cardinal points or cardinal direction also you can say. And here northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, these are known as intermediate direction. That is north plus here it is the middle between what north direction and east direction, so that it is written as north east direction. Here east and south, it is the middle, so here it is written that south east direction. Here west and south, it is the middle intermediate direction, so that it is written as south and west direction, SW. So that here it is the middle between west and north, so that it is written as northwest direction. In this way, these four are known as your cardinal direction, and these four are known as your intermediate direction.
Directions help in locating a place with greater accuracy. Maps show various features, but it is impossible to show the actual shapes and sizes of trees, buildings, villages, etc. in a map because of limited space. If different people use different symbols to draw maps, it would be difficult to understand each other's map. People all over the world use the same set of symbols, and there is an agreement on these symbols. These are called conventional symbols.
So conventional symbols means what? When people all over the world, these particular symbols all over the world, in every map these symbols are drawn, okay, to show any features in the map or show any elements in the map. So these symbols are drawn. You can find it in a book also. So set of these symbols, and there are an agreement of these symbols that everywhere people have to use these symbols, okay. So these are known as your conventional symbols. So you can find out in your map also.
Some conventional symbols have been shown here. You need to visit your friend's place and you don't know the way. Won't it be of a great help if your friend gives you a rough drawing to show how to reach his home? These rough drawings, which are not drawn according to a scale and which tells us where a particular place is, located with respect to certain other places, is called a sketch, and they can be drawn more easily than plans and maps. A map cannot show the internal details of buildings. For such instances, we refer to plans, which is a detailed drawing of a small area drawn on a very large scale. So children, next time you read a map, I'm sure you will enjoy it.
So students, now read the full chapter thoroughly, and if now you have any doubt, then you can ask me through my WhatsApp, and also you can call me whenever you need necessary. Then another thing, that after you're reading this chapter, you can do the question answer, okay. So do the whole exercise. This is your whole exercise. Do it completely. Try to solve all the questions and send it in my WhatsApp. So students, thank you. So with these features you can read your maps also. Hope all of you are happy, stay safe and stay at home. So students, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, and if it is helpful to you, leave a comment or say me in my WhatsApp.
I can't read a map, I don't know what these objects are. I can't read a map, what's the box in the corner for? I can't read a map, I don't know which way this should go. I can't read a map, man, I guess I'll just have to learn. There are 5 map features. First the title, which is on the top, borders on the side, don't forget about the compass. There are 5 map features. Compass reads northeast, south, and west. Don't forget the key we use to scale the measure distance. Learning how to read a map. I'm learning how to read a map. I'm learning how to read a map. I can read a map. Key tells us what we need to know. I can read a map. The title tells us what it's all about. I can read a map. The compass tells us which direction we'll go. I can read a map. I've learned a lot. I think I'm almost pro. We've got 5 map features. First the title, which is on the top, borders on the side. Don't forget about the compass.